Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Hey you, in today's video we're going to be organizing the bookshelf in my office the home edit rainbow method style. So if you're ready to see some satisfying organization, then just keep on watching. Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany. I'm a homebody and a mother, and I do lifestyle and homemaking videos here on this channel. So if you are interested in that sort of content, hit the subscribe button below. Let's jump right into this video. So if you don't know, the Home Edit is a very popular organizational company that organizes for celebrities and regular folk like me. They have a series on Netflix that is very popular right now, and they have a method called the rainbow method that they like to do with all of their organization, and it looks so pleasing to the eyes, and I just want to try it. I think it could glam up my office per se and give it a little bit more personality, and so I'm going to try it for myself and we'll see how we like it. So this is my current situation. Really, it's just two shelves stacked with all of the books I want to get organized. I want to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I think I'm going to put those on the top. I'm going to clear off that top, and then I'm going to put those up there, and then I'm going to have all books on all 16 of these shelves. I think my method is going to be to take all of the books off of the bookshelf first, get those arranged by color, and then we'll go back onto the shelves. But I am going to give it a good wipe down and dust because it's been a while since I've done that, and since I'm taking all of the books off of the shelves, now would be the perfect time for that. So you will get a little cleaning motivation. So let's get started.
And it's not a lie that I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I can't hide what this is. Can tell me all of your lies.
Okay, so here's an update. I have books everywhere. Here's the red pile, purple, browns and tan, grays right here, my orange pile. And my thinking is, if a book is mostly one color or has a very vibrant color, I'll put that in the stack where the rest of those colors are. Here's the yellow stack. Same thing for like a book like this, for instance. It has multiple different like hues of yellow or orange, so I'm going to stick it in this stack. This book's a little bit more orange, but that's fine. We're categorizing colors first, and then we'll categorize the book by height, and then again by like ombre effect. But I just wanted you guys to see this blue stack. Who knew that out of all the colors that I have, blue is the most?
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
so I've finished sorting and I've got 11 different piles of colors. So now I'm going to go ahead and just remove everything else that's on the shelves, rearrange the baskets. Then I'm going to give all the shelves a good wiping, and then we're going to start organizing.
Gets too dark. I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line.
Okay, so I'm finally getting ready to start putting the books back onto the shelves. And this is really going to be different for me because normally I like to group books that are like together, like dictionaries together, Bibles together, novels together, sagas together. But now everything's going to be separated by color, which doesn't really bother me that much because I feel like all my favorite books, I know what color they are, so I'll know where to go find them. But this is going to be very different for me, but I am excited about it, so I'm going to go ahead and get started putting the books back.
Something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to this battle.
Okay, so when I started going on this, I clearly had no method other than to go light to dark, not really trying to follow the Home Edit exactly how they do it, because honestly they do it different. I've seen them go from like red to like darker colors. Sometimes they go from dark into light and then make it have like this symmetric effect. I mean, there's apparently different ways that you can do this. I was just gonna go white to like tans and then to gray, and then I'm moving into yellows, and then I'm thinking orange next, the reds, the burgundies, the pinks, and then from there I'm honestly gonna have to figure it out because I've still got blues, greens, blacks, browns, and purple. So let's try to see if I can figure this out to work in a way where it looks pleasing to my eye but also makes sense. I feel like I could work from in out until I get to burgundy, and then I can work backwards from black in, and then whatever color meets between the burgundy and the lightest shade from black, we'll just see how that works. I honestly don't know, but if you try this, don't feel like you have to do it a certain way. Don't feel bad. I had to look up the color spectrum too, so the color spectrum, some of the ways that I saw it is not the way that I want to do it, so definitely make it your own, but have fun with it at the same time. Something else that I'm trying to decide if I want to do, like if I want to carry it from yellow to orange down here and come back, or do I want to go yellow to orange over here and just keep it going all the way down to black.
Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
to school for color theory, but my thinking is that if you go from the red to the burgundy and then somewhere in there is pink, I don't know, but it didn't really make sense to put the pink in front of the red for me. I know that pink is like a mix of colors that aren't necessarily next to it, but pink just makes more sense going into purple for me, specifically like lavenders like these are. I think from here I'm gonna take it into blue, then green, then brown, then black.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Same old loves be my referee. Like I'm better off with you. You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had
That was fun. Okay guys, so I think I've got it. So I went from white to tan to light gray to yellow, and I did carry it down this way to red, burgundies to pinks to lavenders, purples, light blues, aqua blues, and then I carried the blues all the way to dark navy, onto the greens, to the browns, and then the grays. Then here we are with the blacks, and I have a shelf left which is really nice, because if I want to add books or magazines or whatever, I have room. So here's a wider shot. I might shift the colors around if I decide that, you know, I might like something a little bit better another way. For now, I think this works for me. I'm glad that I did it. And then up here, I just put my baskets there. I'm really happy with this.
Haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare.
So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more homemaking content. I'm gonna leave some videos here on the screen for you to watch, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.